Hello and welcome to Elizabeth's Craft Room on a very hot day here in southern England. I am just reaching out to you with a new class, yay, for you to teach. This is a technique class plus because we are doing techniques using a very dull looking product that is in the catalogue, but that makes the prettiest creations. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do it as a regular technique class for you, so you can put them, if you've never done my technique classes before, this is how they end up looking. They can be, you can keep them in the Memories and More folder or separately, doesn't have to be in Memories and More, but basically we have lots of techniques and we are going to look at the masking paper for our next 10 techniques. Now the bonus bit for this class is, as well as the 10 techniques and all the printables and all the usual things that you get, which I will run through in case you've never done one of these classes before, as well as the reminders of how to do the technique, I have got 10 card designs to share with you, which you could teach or adapt to use with your own stamps. One of the great things about teaching techniques is we can teach them in lots of different ways. So you can do, as I'm going to do, a kind of a full-on technique class showing how to use these masking papers. But you can also just pick a card or a technique here and there and drop those into your regular classes. So it gives you a lot of versatility. I'm including a couple of packs of the masking sheets for my lovely ladies, because I know once they use them and they do these techniques, they are going to want to go home and play with these. So I am including 2 packs in there for them. But you can do this however you like and however you think your customers will enjoy it, or indeed for yourself to learn how to do lots of different techniques that use this fantastic product. So to run down what's included in the class, we have all the printables, so all the instructions for how to do each technique. They are printable on a single, it's 2 sheets of A4 or US letter, so that you can just have a copy for yourself and chop it up and put it with the technique card. I also include it on separate sheets. Now that means if you are teaching 5 people or 10 people how to do it, then or just doing one technique in a class, you can print multiples all at the same time. So efficient for you. They are also, as I say, adapted for A4 and US letter. I try to make sure all my spellings, where I've got different spellings for colour and favourite and things like that, I try to adapt those. But all of my printables are completely adaptable for you to use in your business. So you can go in and type over, they haven't got any of my logos on, so you can put your own logos on and things like that. So hopefully this will really help in your business. I also include some non-logo photos to help for your advertising for your classes as well. Now, this class is coming in at the usual price, even though I'm including lots of extras. It's coming in at my usual price of £10. And if you are in the US, you are going to find that £10 is a lot cheaper at the moment than usual, because the pound-dollar price is very much in your favour right now. So for this and any other of my classes at the moment, if you want a bit of a bargain class, now's your time. Because as I say, the pound has crashed against the dollar. Unfortunately for my European friends, the euro has also crashed against the dollar, so no help there. We've got about parity, I think. But yeah, so that is the situation as I film. So we are, where are we? July July 2022. Things may be different if you're watching this in a few years' time. So if you would like to purchase this class and have it ping into your email box, there is a link down below. If you're watching in YouTube, there's a link back to my Ready Set Demo blog. If you're watching from within the blog, then below there is a little PayPal link that you can click, and I will send over the class to you as soon as I see it. So if you're ordering from Australia or another time zone, it might be when I wake up, but it will be as soon as I see the payment in my account. I think you're going to really love this. It is, as I say, it's one of the prettiest, I think, sample classes I've ever done. They just all look so lovely, and I'm really liking using the paper. Oh, what I didn't say, I've got a tips video for you, and I've also got a tips printable for you that you can give out to your customers, because there are some things that make this really very much easier. And there are some things, if your customers don't have them, that they might want to buy to help along with doing this. Blending brushes is the obvious one. You can do this with sponges, but blending brushes are absolutely your friend. So that's kind of the obvious one. And yes, they're great to do in classes as well. So keep cool if you're in a hot place. Keep warm if you're in a cold place. Keep dry if you're in a wet place. There's a lot of things going on around the world, and keep safe wherever you are. Thank you for visiting Ready Set Demo from Elizabeth's Craft Room today. See you soon. Bye, my demo friends.